knew that searching on Google could make you earn money? This opportunity is available worldwide. Since you're already always on Google, then why not get paid for it? And we're going to be showing you how you can earn $15 every half an hour to a whole hour just by searching on Google. We're going to be sharing a website where you are going to be using this exact strategy to start making money ASAP. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Now remember that this method is completely free and it's supposed to be available worldwide. But if there are some complications with where you're from, then let us know in the comments down below and tell us where you're from too. We want everyone to comment on what country you're from so that we can make more videos based on your guys' countries. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So basically, you're going to become a search engine evaluator. You're going to be searching very specific keywords on Google, and then you're going to be evaluating all of the search results that come up, and then you're going to have to see if the search results coming up are accurate to the keyword that you just looked up or searched for. And the best part, you get paid by just doing that. Since we all know that every one of us uses Google every day of our lives, we might as well find a way to profit from it. Keep watching, alright, so that you don't miss the website that's going to make you actually earn from today's method. It's very easy, literally anybody can do this, and it's worldwide available. What you're going to be doing is rating relevant keywords and how accurate are the search results that come up to that relevant keyword. And that's exactly how you're going to get paid. Let's get straight ahead to our example. Go on google.com, then let's look up Super Bowl Sunday 2021. And as you can see over here, these are the search results that come up. It gives you pretty accurate information. Anything you probably wanted to know would right away be found on one of these search results alone. The whole package. And then you're basically going to be rating from 1 to 5 how accurate were the results that came out for what we actually searched for. 5 being the most accurate and 1 being not so accurate at all. So let's try another example. So just recently, we bought a brand new Sony TV. And we want to know how you can set up your Google account for a TV device. So let's look that up. So let's type in how to set up Google account for Sony TV device. And then hit enter on that. And boom! Straight off the bat, your question and its direct answer. I won't even have to look through the rest because it's the first result that came up. So if I were to rate the search result, I'd rate it a 5 right away since it gave me the answer right away as well. But if you were to scroll down on the rest of the search results, you'd see video demonstrations and other websites that could teach you what you're asking. So you're going to be rating all of the other search results too. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Also, don't forget to comment down below what country you're from for our future videos. Now let's continue. So our main website for today is called lionbridge.com. This website is available worldwide, and this website isn't open only to Google search evaluators, but also to others looking for different job positions or openings as well. So many people have tried this website already. So, what does Lionbridge do? We create, transform, test, and train more content than anyone in the world. From text, voice, audio, video, to structured and unstructured data. And as you can see over here, they have a ton of services that they offer. Content services and a lot under content services, translation and a lot again under translation, and even testing services, and then again, more under testing services. So this website is very much legit, and this is the website that you are going to join that's going to make you a Google search evaluator, and what you want to do is to finally start the process. So to finally do that, you need to click on join our team over here. And as soon as you click on that, this is what you should see. And if you scroll down, you'll see some current job openings, and then we want you to click on testers, raters, and curators, alright? And then once you click on that, you should be redirected to the sign up page. You'll see more and more information, and when you're ready to apply, just go ahead and click on get started, and then you can apply to do this kind of work. So I think we can all agree that Lionbridge is an amazing website to get your money-making journey started and really make you open your horizons to trying out some more new stuff. This website is legit, and I think that just by looking at how they've presented themselves, you can easily tell. This is definitely an opportunity that you do not want to miss, so make sure that you go ahead on lionbridge.com to start earning money just by evaluating search results. And that's basically it. Make sure though that you followed throughout this whole entire video, or else you might end up getting confused and not actually being able to catch up with the steps, but you can always watch this video again and again and again if it confuses you still. And that's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.